was amazing.
Yeah, that was awesome, right?
Simba looked so real.
Yeah, it was like if you took a real lion and put him in a screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't even know how you do that.
Yeah, I've never seen
so
many real animals so up close and
whoa. And
I don't even know what to say.
Yeah, I think it was just so exciting from the very beginning, and there were times where I felt so bad for Simba, and I didn't know what would happen next. Like, there's a lot that goes on in this movie, and there are times where it's really scary and really sad, and then really exciting, and then happy, and whoa, it was like a roller coaster ride.
I definitely was sad, and I don't think we're giving anything away, but I was sad when Simba's dad.
Yeah, Mufasa.
I was.
Yeah, I cried a little at that part.
Yeah, I cried too, because I don't want that to happen to my dad.
Oh, you know what? That's not going to happen to our dad.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a movie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But Simba, it's a good lesson that no matter what happens in life, you gotta face your fears.
Yeah. Well, and to be fair, if bad things happen, you know what it means? It means that you can always count on the other people around you. Yeah. Like Nala and his mom and his new friends Timon and Pumbaa. I mean, they all came together and they helped him so much. And even when they didn't know, what was the best thing to do, they still helped. And that's what you have to do in life. If something goes wrong, you just try your best and make sure you ask for help.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I learned 2 new words.
Ooh.
Hakuna Matata.
Ooh.
I think that's what they say.
What a wonderful phrase.
Hakuna Matata.
Ain't no passing craze.
It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
Oh. But wait.
Yeah, what?
Can we emphasize what does Hakuna Matata mean?
It means it's our problem-free philosophy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a problem-free philosophy. So that means when we have problems, we just say Hakuna Matata.
Yeah.
Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna. Yeah. No worries, guys.
Yeah, exactly.
It's like we got this.
We got this.
We got this.
Yeah. I'll remember that.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. That's a good one.
Who was your favorite character besides Simba?
Oh, Simba.
No. Besides Simba.
Simba.
No one doesn't know what this game is, guys. Do you know what besides means?
Well, what was your favorite character besides Simba?
Nala.
Oh, of course it was.
Actually,
you know who I thought was really, really funny?
Oh, who?
Pumbaa.
Yeah, Pumbaa's really, really good.
Yeah.
Timon too.
Timon is funny too, but Pumbaa's a little bit funnier.
But they're also kind of scaredy cats, right?
Yeah, they are.
Mm-hmm. It was really fun, but I really liked Mufasa's character.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
He's not in most of the movie, but he's very important in it.
But Timon and Pumbaa, they can be happy that their best friends is a lion.
Roar. Yeah, and then they don't have to eat bugs.
Yeah. True.
Ew, bugs. Gross.
That was gross.
Yeah. Although I like gummy worms. That's kind of like eating a bug.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you guys like gummy worms?
But Scar was scary.
Ooh, yeah, he was very scary.
The bad uncle.
Mm-hmm. And he talked with like a scary roar type of voice.
Yeah.
And then the hyenas. Ooh, I didn't like them. I was very like,
them.
ooh.
No. Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's why we have Simba to the rescue.
Simba to the rescue.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was wonderful. And I think parents will like it too, especially our parents were really excited because they were like, whoa, when we were little we saw this and now you get to see it. It was pretty cool to think that they saw the same movie when they were a little kid as we saw.
Yeah, that's so true.
Yeah.
And I think, you're right. They will enjoy it just as much as we have.
Mm-hmm, I think so too.
Yep.
It's a classic.
A classic?
A classic.
Whoa,
Yeah.
that's a big word.
Mm-hmm.
I think you're going to become a movie review star one day.
I hope so. premieres, and I want to meet Simba and Nala and Timon and Pumbaa. I want to meet all of them.
Yeah,
That'd
me
be great.
too. Yeah.
Oh, and I can ask them for their paw prints.
To ask them for what?
Their paw prints.
What's that?
Like an autograph. Like if they signed something, but they're animals, so they would just put a stamp on it with their paw.
Oh, that's a good one. Yeah. Oh, I want that too.
Yeah, that'd be really fun.
Yeah, we didn't get a gift for this movie. Not like Toy Story last time.
No, yeah, we didn't get a gift this time.
Yeah.
But I think the movie was good anyways. I'd like to see it again anyhow.
Yeah. Do you want my paw print?
I do want your paw print. Do you want mine?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Ooh, maybe we can do that sometime.
Oh, let's do it right now.
Okay, let's go do that.
Yeah, kids and parents out there, definitely watch The Lion King.
Oh, yeah, you will like it.
Like Olivia says, a classic, and it will not disappoint.
No, and it will give you so many fun songs and stories to tell.
Yeah.
And you get to, it's like going on a safari in a movie theater.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And this feels so real. I mean, I don't even want to go to the zoo. I just want to watch The Lion King again.
I want to go to the zoo and watch Lion King again.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because both are fun. Okay.
Well, I hope you enjoy Lion King just as much as we did.
I hope so too. Have fun.
Have fun.
Enjoy your movie.
Enjoy it and go Simba.
Go Simba. Go Nala. Woo.
Okay, let's do our own paw prints.
Okay, let's do our own paw prints. Let's go.
Bye.
Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!